सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Namaskar dear students. Today in this video we are going to discuss questions answer of poem number 6, No Men Are Foreign by James Kirkup. Before starting the discussion, let's see first of all the summary, theme and message of the poem. In this poem, the poet tells us that no men are strange and no countries are foreign for us. He gives a universal message of brotherhood among all the human beings in the world. The structure of physical body of all human beings is same, and they differ only from outer because of wearing different kind of clothes. Alright, I prefer to wear this kurta, other prefers to wear shirt, another coat and all, vesti. All of us walk on the same lane, and after death we all shall be buried in the same lane. All of us need air, water, sunlight, food and shelter. We all have to face consequences of all types of conditions, whether it is reaping of harvest or starvation occurred during long war, battle. We have the same type of occupations. We all on the earth have same eyes to sleep and wake up, love and want to be loved. The strength of human beings can be won over by love. On each and every sphere of life, sphere of earth, we can say there are common things in life which we can recognize and understand. When others ask us to hate our brothers, they ask us to condemn, despise and betray each other. We defile the earth, spoil the earth actually, by hating and fighting with each other, with our brothers. In difficult situation, we want to take care of our brothers. We don't want to fight with them. We want to be peace-loving person. Right, dear students? Our hatredness towards each other outrage the innocent mind of people and the environment which is always belong to us. So we should remember that no men are foreign and no countries are strange. So dear students, the theme of the poem No Men Are Foreign beautifully reflects the theme of humanity in all human beings. We all are same as well as need basic needs, same for survival. So we should not divide ourselves based on nation, creed. I am Patel, I am Vania, I am Kumbar, I am Muslim, I am Christian. Don't divide. Alright? Based on nation, creed, color, caste, or religion. we are all the children of one God. Whosoever you believe, Sikotra Mataji, you believe Krishna Bhagwan, Ram Bhagwan, Swaminarayan Bhagwan, Isa Masiha, whosoever. But there is only one God. Okay? And whose children? We are whose children? God's children. We don't want to divide ourselves. Everybody, dear students. The poem teaches us the belief of universal brotherhood. We all human beings in the world should give up the feeling of narrow nationalism. We all are the member of a single world. Nobody is stranger. We should believe in the globalization as you are studying in global school. Globalization we want to believe. We want to just overcome all the differences, which means a world of interdependence and multiculturalism. Multiculturalism. Alright, dear students? Let's go forward. The questions, answer, discussion. Hello, dear students. Namaskar. In this video, we are going to discuss questions, answers of the poem number 6. No men are foreign. Written by James Kirka. So let's begin, everybody. First of all, we read thought of the day. Life is a struggle. Nowadays, we all are struggling. So this time, and always I remember in my life, and everybody, you also do so. Whatever time comes in the life, I remember one thought, very beautiful thought. With this thought, those who are happy become unhappy, and those who are unhappy become happy. So let's see, everybody, the thought. It will go. It will go. It does mean that time will go. Whatever we are having, happiness will go, and sadness will come. Whenever sadness is there, sadness will go and happiness will come. This phenomena, has been happening in our life. So no worry, be static. Okay, on the both occasion, happiness as well sad, as well unhappy incident. Alright, dear students, and go ahead and live life with full fledged. So let's begin our questions answer discussion. Alright, dear students. Okay. Okay, dear students, let's see the question number 1 of the poem, thinking about the poem. Question number 1. Question 1, I. First of all, let's see the question, and afterwards we will discuss the answer. Alright? Beneath all uniforms. This line is taken from the textbook. What uniforms do you think the poet is speaking about in the line? Okay, what is the meaning and why poet talks about uniform? So let's see, everybody answer. The poet is probably speaking about the uniforms that soldiers wore at the time of war. The word uniform here could also mean the traditional dress Traditional dresses of a country. Alright, dear students, let's go forward for the question number 2. Okay, students, so let's go forward for the question number 1. Second, how does the poet suggest that all people on earth are the same? How? Okay, all are same. What is the similarity actually? In which way? Okay, all are same. Let's see, everybody. The poet suggests that all people on earth are the same. As they breathe, wake, sleep, love, hate, and labor. So all are just, doing the activity in the same way. No any difference between them. Okay, on this, action. So they are just same. That's why poet says same. The importance of the sun, air, and water is equal for everyone. Everyone needs peace and suffers from starvation during wars. So whenever war-like conditions, so everybody suffers from starvation. Okay. So in this respect, poet wants to emphasize on this similarity, okay, of the people. So this is the answer of the question number 1, second. Right? Okay. Question number 2. In stanza 1, find 5 ways in which we all are alike. Pick out the words. Right? Very easy, everybody. So this might be very, perfectly. Okay, you can read properly and all. So let's see the answer number 2nd. Right? Words which suggest the 5 ways in which we all are like are: number 1, each of us has a similar body. Second one, all of us breathe. Third one, all of us walk. Fourth one, all of us lie over here, but we say we speak truth. Fifth one, we live and die on the same earth. So lot many actions, okay, of all human being looking very similar, right? So over here only 5 are mentioned. Third question, how many common features can you find in stanza 2nd? Pick out the words. Answer number 3. There are 5 common features in stanza 2nd. These features are the sun, the air, the water, peaceful harvest, hands, and the labor. Alright, dear students. Question number 4. Whenever we are told to hate our brothers, this sentence, when do you think this happens? Okay, this sentence is taken from the poem. And when do you think this happens? Why? Who tells us? Should we do as we are told at such times? What does the poet say? Okay, this is the question and give the answer. Let's see the answer, everybody. Answer number 4. Whenever there is war, leaders tell people to hate the other country. They tell us to do so because of their personal gains. But we should not act as a puppet in their hands and do as they say. We should understand that war is futile and analyzes the situation before jumping to conclusions. The poet says that if we fight against them, we kill and condemn ourselves. So we should not fight. Alright, dear students? Okay.